Come and get some good local food. So you come into a shopping mall and go and get your card from Food Park, put some local money on there, and then look around those stalls and then choose which food you want. I've looked at the lovely delights that are here in this particular stall, and it's lovely fresh product being produced. Over here we got some lovely chicken being marinated, gorgeous yellow oak, and then the meat being prepared and chopped into there. I've got some condiments that I better put onto my lovely meal. Jane's just choosing her vegetarian meal at the other end. Some stock being put into the thing, and there's my dish being lovely prepared. Thank you. And then hand over my card, my money. Thank you. Receive mine, and then he'll put it into the machine, and that will tell me exactly how much I've actually spent and whether or not I need to top up the car for Janie. What have you actually ordered, Janie? Nothing yet. Okay. Okay, just been preparing, are you? Alright, so we'll take two because Janie's now ordering her original pad thai. So what have you actually ordered, Janie?
I ordered tofu pad thai.
Yep.
No sugar.
Okay.
Spicy.
Spicy.
No egg. No egg. No. Tofu.
Beautiful. So this lovely lady's cooking Janie's brunch for her. She's getting some noodles in there, going into the stir fry. Beautiful. Are you looking forward to this?
I'm hungry now.
You're hungry. How are you going to pay for this?
By our food park card.
Okay, so she's got a food park which you actually buy from over here. You either get the card from here, and then you get it topped up. Put the money in that you need, and then you can travel around. Various shopping malls will have this, and then you can just top it up. You can check to see how much you've got in your card at any stage by swiping your card on this device. And you can see that there's an abundance of different types of stalls. This is a smoothie stall and lots of different selections. Prices here are pretty good. They average about 40 up to 60 baht for gorgeous meals. So it's not a bad way to actually come and enjoy your lunch or dinner, or not breakfast because it doesn't open up till here to 11 o'clock. That is beautifully being prepared there by this wonderful chef here, adding in the condiments. Really good value. I suspect it's about, what, 40 baht for all that, fresh content for Janie.
Oh, yes.
Wow. Are you in vegetarian delight, Jenny?
Yes,
So how much was that, Jenny?
40 baht.
40 baht, so we've got 20 baht left on our card. There you are, everybody. Jane's original brunch pad thai. You happy there?
Yes, very happy.
She's very happy, as you can see. Hey, by the way, just another little, we've travelled with LifeStraw, our bottles. This instance we don't have the filter in because we're actually using filtered water. But go onto our website and you can see LifeStraw, buy the bottle, and every time you buy a bottle it provides one bottle, one child, 1 year with when you buy it with clear water. So a great program. So
Very good.
very good, Jenny. Fantastic.